Today I wanted to show you how to add official Swift support to Vim. The main problem I think with editing Swift files in Vim is that there is no syntax highlighting. So when I open some file, some big file, I just it's hard to read with any syntax highlight. You can try to turn syntax on inside Vim, but still nothing happens because Vim doesn't support Swift highlighting out of the box. There are many plugins that can give you support for Swift, but personally I don't like to use plugins. I like to keep the experience as standard as possible. So I want to show you how to install support for Swift in Vim, just using standard config files and official Swift utilities common within Swift repository. Now, if we go to the Apple Swift GitHub, we can actually see that there is inside utils folder, there is a folder called Vim. So actually there is inside Swift repository, there is a support for Vim, and it includes syntax highlighting, which what I'm interested in, and also we can see here that indentation is also supported. So maybe there is something else supported, but personally I don't really know. If you know, please let others know in the comments section below. So how to install this to your Vim? Well, first let's clone Swift repository to our local computer. So I will use git clone command for this, but I want to sure that I will not copy like the whole gigabyte of data. I'm just interested in the last relevant files, so I will use option depth equal 1. So it is cloning into the folder Swift here. Let's wait until it finishes. Basically now we're downloading all the Swift files, including these utilities for Vim support. And the next step is to install these utilities. So let's first find our Vim utilities. So it should be here. Yeah, we can see there is a Vims folder, and it has some directories and files inside. So what I want to do, I want to first create a folder with Vim additional files. It is located in your home directory, and it is called .vim. So I will create a directory .vim inside my home directory. Then I will also create, so this is a directory which contains all different files and plugins you will install for your Vim. I will also create a folder called pack. From Vim version 8, you can have some files automatically evaluated during start of the Vim. So I don't want to configure anything. I will just create folders in the correct structure, and then Vim will automatically activate the corresponding plugin. And to this I need to create a pack folder inside my Vim folder. Also I need to create bundle folder, and I need to create start folder inside. Then I will copy this Vim folder from Swift repository. I will copy it to my Vim pack bundle folder, and I will call this Swift just to understand what it is about. Okay, so basically it is done now. If we go back to our file, big Swift file, let's see. So now there is no syntax highlighting because I need to explicitly turn it on. But after I do this, now we can see that the text is highlighted in different colors, and it makes it easy for me to understand what is what. Actually, it seems rather strange. Okay. Well, we can see that it doesn't work good 100% of times. Yeah, there is something wrong with this quote, but usually it works fine for me, and I hope it will work fine for you. As one last thing, if you don't want to type command syntax on each time you're logging into Vim, you can add this command to your vimrc file, and it will automatically execute it at the start of each session. So let me just create a vimrc file here. And basically I want just to provide syntax on here, and that's all. So now if I go back to my file, Swift file, we can see that it is automatically on now. If you have some questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.